What is up, guys? We are at Tuner Evo in Schaumburg today. I have the Supra parked up next to the 22 RX. First time honestly seeing a 22 up front. Kind of looks good, I don't know, but you know, I'll always take my Supra over it. And then we have Charles's Civic FK8. Fucking FK9 is a Type R, but we have the Civic FK8 over here. What's up, Charles? Hopefully to see you inside. Anyways, we're gonna check out the SDR boys at Tuner Evo, and let's see if we're gonna find any good spots. Ooh, BRZ, or I mean FRS 86. Fucking yeah. Yeah, we finally made it inside Tuner Evo. Honestly, the line is pretty freaking long. We have Charles over there repping this shirt. I actually designed those shirts, so it's kind of funny because I'm wearing the exact same shirt right now. But first thing I wanted to see was this Supra to get inspiration on my build. And damn, the silver always looks so nice, but I don't know. I was never really a fan of silver cars. Carbon fiber street Hunter wing. It looks so good. Found the SDR car, vintage Porsche. Honestly, I stuck with Porsches. Maybe this is a 911. It looks good though. We have the RC section here. So interesting, all the RC cars. RC boys. Damn, with the RGB lights. It's kind of funny because we were seeing this and we're like, what the hell is NV US? And we thought it was like Nevada and then United States, but it's NV us. Of course.
Man, what the fuck is you talking about?
What the fuck was that?
I'm sorry,
I wasn't thinking about it.
Oh shit, here comes the import models. The Daniel Real import models. Where's your import model? Mark IV Supra. Casual GTX livery with the white wheels. Tom's Racing. You know, Tom's Racing made a lot of parts for like the Mark IV, but I wonder if they made any parts for the Mark V. Hopefully they did. I mean, regardless, it's still hella overpriced anyways. But you know, TRD or GR, right? I gotta admit though, this Mark IV looks so freaking good in the back. I mean, obviously it's a race car, but still. Damn. I'm not gonna lie, like, I've always been a fan of the Z, but as a Supra owner now, it's like, we have like a rivalry. Z's against Supras, Supras against Z's. But this one looks pretty sick. Love the wheels. Toyo Tires, the official sponsor of the UFC. So Christine asked a question, and she said, what'd you say?
Why is the tire out like that?
Like that?
Yeah.
Why do you think it is?
I don't know. Because it helps with the driving?
No, actually, it makes the driving worse, if anything. But it's really for the look, and you call it stance. So
can you drive like that?
You can, but it's not. I mean, anything is really drivable. But obviously, the car doesn't drive like this because he's on most likely like air suspension. So his car gets raised when he drives. This is just his like parking, show height, whatever. But I don't know. I'm not a really big fan of this.
Me neither.
It looks cool though.
Next.
I guess.
Next.
Dang, IS350. Shit. I'm pretty sure it's a 350 with the RF wheels in the back. Very nice. Damn. Ghost RC. Then right next to the blue wide body Supra. And you see Supras everywhere, but like I barely see them on the road. I guess they're all heading here. Stratosphere Blue. This time it's Stratosphere Blue, not a wrap. Alright, I was wrong. It's not Stratosphere Blue. This car is a freaking wrap. God damn it. Yeah, so it's a nice blue though, but its base is clearly white. But damn, it is a nice wheel. I'll give it that. Damn, I have both the R35, another R35, and a freaking double RX. Which is so good. I'm not a fan of those colors on the wheels, but the wrap is good. Dang, the yellow and red RX-7. Honestly, these two have got to probably be my favorite. These just look so good. Also, huge initial defense, so freaking Ryusuke. Nice G63 AMG. Is it a G? Whatever, it's a G-Wagon. It's your favorite car, right? You want a G-Wagon?
Me?
Yeah.
It's not my favorite.
But you want a G-Wagon?
Yeah, sure. Look at this.
G-Wagon. Yeah, that's kind of cute. They have the models to it. Yeah. That's nice. RS6 Avant, the ultimate dad car with the ski box. If I was baller enough, honestly, I would get one of these. Super fast, very practical too. Obviously, I'm a super big, actually, I don't know, I'm good a BMW fan, but always like the F80 M3s. In my opinion, these are my favorite over the G series, but damn, they look so good. F80 M3s. Weed cars. That cost me more. She's the owner because she literally looks exactly like this one over here. We have the friggin' AutoZam. It's crazy these came with friggin' gull-wing doors. So cute. This is one of your favorites, right?
Yeah.
Alright, that basically wraps up Tuner Evo. I mean, we only really stayed there for like an hour, 2 hours, to be honest. It's kind of repetitive, but you like it?
Looks good.
What was your favorite car?
A lot of cool cars.
What was your favorite one?
Hard to say, but I think I wouldn't drive this, but I like the blue with the wings up.
Oh, the
tiny,
AutoZam.
The tiny one.
Yeah.
It was cute.
That one was pretty cute. I'll give it that. Everyone's heading out and doing their fuckboy festivities with their exhaust. We're gonna be heading out soon too. See you guys later. Okay, we in the TLX Type S. Very nice. I'm just gonna be driving us to get tacos after Tuner Evo, so here we are.
One day I realized it was a
Those
dog.
gauges.
Like, no, when we were in South
Type
Korea.
S with the unit in R7. Cops better watch out. He's strapped over here. Got some wall hacks, he can't catch us. It's so funny, huh?
So good looking. Yeah. Oh my god, you're so.
Yes, sir. Lalos. What's a Lalo?
Lalo?
Yeah, what is a Lalo?
It's a state of mind.
Yeah.
Just kidding.
All right, well, cheers.
Cheers.
To margaritas.
DJI Ronin margarita.
Margaritas, cheers.